What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm making a bruschetta steak sandwich. I'm not gonna belabor it, let's get right into it. So what's going into this sandwich, I'm making a horseradish mayonnaise and I'm making a bruschetta, hence the name of the sandwich. I've got this nice piece of Italian, or this loaf of Italian bread, and I got my ribeye steaks. First thing I need to do is get the horseradish mayo and the bruschetta made up. So let's start with the horseradish mayo. So first thing, I got my mayo, start with that. To my mayo, I'm gonna add my prepared horseradish. I've got some chives I'm gonna add. And I've got this lemon. I wanna get this lemon cut and get some lemon juice in here. About a tablespoon. Give that a whisk. I'm gonna add some fresh cracked black pepper. Plenty of black pepper. Whisk again. Give it a taste. Perfect. I've got a squeeze bottle. I'm gonna get my horseradish mayo into the squeeze bottle. Now for my bruschetta, I've got some tomatoes that I've diced. I've actually seeded these tomatoes before I diced them. I've got some basil and I've got some garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic to the tomatoes. I'm gonna get my basil chopped up. I'm gonna add my basil to the tomatoes. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil to the tomatoes. Now what I don't wanna do is I don't wanna add too much of this. You don't wanna over oil your bruschetta. You wanna just have just enough oil to just coat the tomatoes. A couple of tablespoons will do it. I'm gonna add some kosher salt as well. Really nice flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Touch more olive oil. And a pinch more salt. Second taste. That's perfect. I'm gonna cover this, set this aside, get these steaks cooked up. I'm gonna season my steaks with some salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. I've got a cast iron pan in the oven, and I've got the oven heated to 425 degrees. I've had the pan in there for a while. I wanted to get it really good and hot. I'm gonna move back here to the stove where I've got some exhaust going on over there and get these steaks cooked up. I'm gonna allow my steaks to rest. I'm gonna cover them. They're gonna rest for about 5 minutes. While I'm waiting for my meat to rest, I'm gonna slice this loaf of bread open and I'm gonna stick it in the oven for a few minutes. I wanna get it toasted. Everything's done. I'm ready to put the sandwiches together. I'm gonna go ahead and get the beef sliced up. So I'm pairing my steak sandwich with the 2016 Corliss Cabernet Sauvignon. This is a Washington Cabernet Sauvignon, 100% Red Mountain AVA fruit, 100% Cabernet Sauvignon. In addition to that, 100% Red Mountain AVA fruit. I just jumped right in with the tasting. So it's very dark. And on the nose, I'm getting plenty of black fruit, blueberry, blackberry. Getting a little bit of licorice, like black licorice. And some really like a mild coffee ground, almost like I can't identify what it is, but one of those sweet coffees from Starbucks. I'm getting I can't identify exactly what coffee that is, but it's sort of one of those sweet coffee smelling drinks that I've smelled at Starbucks. That's what I'm getting on the nose here. On the palate, it's full body, more of that those black fruit, blueberry, blackberry. Some of that coffee, like there's sort of a coffee thing on the palate. Very long finish, great acidity. It's gonna match well with these tomatoes and this bruschetta. Let's dig right in and let's see if it pairs. All right. Wow. That's a good steak sandwich, man. I'm telling you. Horseradish loves beef. The arugula because of usually arugula is the most prominent thing in a salad because of the pepper flavor of the arugula. The arugula is sort of taking a back seat. So there's a mild peppery thing going on with the arugula, and the bruschetta, lively and vibrant, the basil and the tomatoes and the fresh garlic, and that olive oil to round it out. This is delicious. And this is a quality loaf of bread too. Let's see if it pairs. Wow, that's magical. Man. Oh, that is good. Wow. I'm gonna say it a couple of times. Wow, wow, wow. It's worth it. 3 wows. But I gotta double check. A little more of this fantastic wine in the glass. Another bite of this sandwich. That is a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.